Welcome back to the Big Sweep, everyone. We're your one-stop shop for all things organization and lifestyle. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can transform your daily life: how to organize your refrigerator. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful tips and tricks. Plus, stay tuned until the end for a bonus tip. Let's jump right in. Ever opened your fridge and felt overwhelmed by the clutter? We've all been there. But did you know that a well-organized fridge offers more than just visual appeal? It can help reduce food waste, save you money, and encourage healthier eating habits. Before we embark on our organizing journey, start with a clean slate. Remove everything from your refrigerator. This is the perfect time to dispose of expired items and give your fridge a thorough cleaning. Trust me, this effort is well worth it. With a clean fridge, categorize your items. Group similar foods together and prioritize items that are closer to their expiry dates. This method ensures you always know what foods are available and what needs to be used first. Your fridge has various temperature zones, so be mindful of where you place your items. The top shelves in your fridge are cooler, making them ideal for items like dairy and leftovers. Store fruits and vegetables in the crisper drawers to keep them fresh longer. To maximize organization and accessibility, invest in storage containers and use labels. Transparent containers are perfect for leftovers and prepped meals. Labels make it easy to identify items quickly and avoid confusion. Did you know the refrigerator door is the warmest area? Reserve this space for condiments, sauces, and items with longer shelf lives. Placing dairy or eggs in the door can lead to spoilage. Organizing your fridge is not a one-and-done task. Regularly check for expired items. Clean up any spills immediately, and reorganize as needed. This will help you maintain an efficient and organized refrigerator. If you or your family follow specific diets or have dietary restrictions, consider dedicating a shelf or section of the fridge to these items. This makes it easier to find the foods you need and avoid cross-contamination. For families, organizing your fridge is even more critical. Consider using color-coded storage containers for each family member, making it easy for everyone to find their snacks and meals. As a bonus tip for supercharging your refrigerator organization, consider maintaining a fridge inventory. It may sound a bit extra, but it can be a game changer. Simply keep a whiteboard or a notepad on your fridge and jot down what you add and remove. This keeps you aware of what's inside and helps you plan your meals effectively. It's an excellent way to reduce waste and ensure that nothing gets pushed to the back and forgotten. With this bonus tip, you'll take your refrigerator organization to the next level, making your daily life even more convenient and efficient. So don't forget to incorporate this handy tip into your fridge organizing routine. This has been an in-depth guide on how to organize your refrigerator for a more efficient and enjoyable kitchen experience. Before you go, remember to subscribe to The Big Sweep if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you found these tips helpful. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, stay organized and stay subscribed. I'll catch you in the next video.